Good morning, Pat. This is Richard at Tameron Honda. First and foremost, I want to thank you for your online inquiry on our Lunar Silver Metallic LX CRV. I've got that vehicle right here. Can't wait to show you how amazing this car is. So please call me at 205-541-2862 so I can set you up with a VIP appointment and test drive. I'll be sure to have the car pulled up, full of gas, ready for you to take it for a spin. Make this the easiest car buying experience possible. Again, this is Richard at Tameron Honda in Hoover, 205-541-2862. And when you come into Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.